What's up? It's your girl Queen Jones, back live in the flesh, and yes, this is a Let Me Taste It. And y'all, I know you're like, where the fluff muffin puff have you been? It's been a whole 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months. I'm not sure, but I'm back with a vengeance. I went to America's Food Basket and got me something delicious, okay? Something I never had before, and we gotta add this one to the roster, okay? Now, have you guys ever had Berry de Blanc or de Blanc? You know how it goes. No, I haven't. I've never had anything that was fruit and, you know, is known for, you know, no lies, because I've had yellow watermelon and stuff. I've never had a white strawberry. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And I had Bossy try it, and she was like, they was really pretty, but to be this pretty, it didn't do what it needed to do. And I'm like, okay, that's your opinion. I must taste it, all right, to see what it's giving, okay? All right. Now, I'm going to show you this strawberry, and you're going to look at it, and you're like, goodness gracious. Okay. Wow. That is a white strawberry, if you can't tell, y'all. And it's not really white. It's kind of like a fleshy color. Has, like, flesh tones, red seeds instead of white seeds. I don't know. It doesn't have any scent or anything like that. I'm looking for any implications of, like, is it going to be a different taste in strawberry besides it being white? I smell a little bit. Okay. I have one assumption. I think it's going to be floral. I got my water right here. Gotta get that air going in your mouth. All right. I'm trying to look and see if there's like a darker one in here, because I want to see if there's a taste difference. That one was kind of darkish. This strawberry is a little beat up, but sometimes beat up strawberries be a little bit sweeter. I'm trying to. Yeah. All right, y'all. Honest answer, it tastes like a white strawberry, a very bland fruit. And this is what I mean by white. You ever have an unripened version of your fruit? This is what it tastes like. It tastes like they did not let these get to red. And I didn't want to say that. It's not more floral. It's not more sweeter. It's definitely duller in taste. I'm very upset right now because this is very much of an aesthetic fruit. So this is what I believe Blanc of the berries. No. Berry de Blanc. Let me explain something. This fruit is good in champagne. This is good as having a whole bridal shower, baby shower, anything where there's some bubbly champagne or sparkling cider of some sort. This is where you put this on the rim of the glass. You feel me? This is very much an aesthetic fruit that would make plating cute, but it's not nobody's fruit. Nobody I know would be like, give me some white strawberries. That's my favorite strawberry. This is the bougier of the two, aesthetically. But when it comes to flavor, ain't no flavor, dog. Ain't no flavor. It tastes very, very, very sweet, like a ripe strawberry. I was excited too because I was like, bruh, I can guarantee you these strawberries is gonna be delicious. I would have put some money on there. I'm happy I didn't. Boston Bossy was right, but there is a purpose for every fruit, everything on this earth, and this is just the aesthetic fruit. So if you guys ever want something bourgeois, I would recommend a nice champagne, maybe some white chocolate rim, and then put this lovely white strawberry on there and get something popping. Or, you know, I think, what is it? Maybe sangrias? I don't know. This definitely is put me in a drink, though. Because I'm pretty. I am pretty. I am beautiful. And that's what I be on. But y'all, look at it. You cannot tell me that this don't look like something out of a movie, or, you know, something that you should just buy. $5, this strawberry family upskirt. And they're not called strawberries. Excuse me. They're called pine berries. They are called pine berries. Let me stop talking out my bahootie. Well, pine berries taste like freaking white strawberries, and I'm pretty sure they're from that family. But pine berries definitely are giving me white strawberry unripe. I said what I said. And that's all, y'all. I am so happy to be back. I will be making more. Let me taste it. I have this BZ Bounty ginger honey that I want to try. It's infused honey. Okay. And if you are interested in being unique tools, shout out to this. I'm definitely gonna like this. I know I am. How would I not like this? But if you want to go ahead and go ham in the paint when it comes to aesthetics, uniqueness, plating, go ahead and get you some pine berries, berry de Blanc specifically. If you are trying to do something on them, like ew, razzle dazzle, you feel me? But if you are trying to get some flavor, I recommend any other strawberry family member that has some melanin to it. I don't think it's not flavored because it's white. I've had white things that's flavored. I think it's unflavored because that's how it was made genetically, because they were working on aesthetics and not flavor. They were like, this definitely, some scientist was like, oh, it tastes like white strawberry unripened. It's cute though, put it on the show. That's what I feel with this. No chef would walk away from something with such uniqueness, okay? No chef. So shout out to the scientists and shout out to all the drinks that these berry de Blancs are gonna be in. These pine berries, not white strawberries that I called it the whole video. Pine berries. Bye, y'all. Bye. Thank you to coming to let me taste it. I don't know why I put my hand up there like I'm gonna exit out, but bye, y'all. Bye. I'm about to make some breakfast.